In this session, we are going to see that how we can make a double click on any web element in Cypress. So for that purpose, we have a double DB click method, and the DB click method click a DOM element like button hyperlink. We have different flavors of DB click method, like without parameter, we can pass options, we can pass the position, we can pass the coordinates, and we can pass the coordinates, position, and different combination. These are the examples. Let me show you the things practically. So, and also we have an option that we can pass these options like timeout, force, multiple, and logs. And these options are almost can be applied on any functions. I have explained it in my previous video also, so you can go through with that. Now, we will directly jump into the practical part. First of all, I will show you that how we can make a double click, simple double click. So for that purpose, I will take the example of this website. In this website, because we want to give the demo of the double click, I will simply double click on restore button. You can say that when I click on double click, you are able to see the errors. Reason is that because I have not filled the form, but my focus will be on to make a double click on restore button. So let's see that how we can do it. For that purpose, I will do one thing. This is already, you can say, my old instance was run, so I can use the this inspect locator to find the this restore button location or locator. Click on that. I got it. Let me copy it from here. Now let me go to the code. In the code, I'm going to paste it here. And now dot, I can use the DB click method. So this is the DB click method, which will click on my, you can say, that register button. So now let me show you here. It is loading. It is loading. Yeah, it is loading. And now it is, it is clicked. So you can say it is clicked. So that's why you are able to see these errors. Okay. Now this is first option. Second option, that we can double click with the position, means whenever you are calling the double click, at the same time you can pass the position. Positions means, let me show you that we have different position, like you can say bottom left, bottom right, center, left, right. So you can click on any particular position also, right? So let me select, you can say center. Mainly people click on the center. So let me save it. And you can say that you will not able to see the impact here because it will click on the center, right? But you will not able to see that. Yeah, in the same way, we have another option that if you want, we can double click with the help of coordinate. It means we can pass the coordinates also. So let me show you. Instead of this one, I can pass the coordinate, for example, and this is a coordinate related to the button. So I can pass 5,6. So this is, you can say, X and Y number. Okay. So now let me, you can say again, save it, and you can say this time it will also click. It will click and it will actually focus on 5,6 coordinate. Okay. Again, I'm saying that this is a button, so you will not able to see that it is really click on that, but it is clicking. Okay, because we are passing it. So now another option we have that, and this is also, you can say, common thing, that sometimes what happens that your button or hyperlink is not ready to take it actionable to take your you can say your button or hyperlink is not ready to take the actions, like, or you can say it is not in the actionable state. So in that case, you can make a force click on that. Like we have same option in the mind, you can say click function. So same thing is also available here. How you can make a force click? Simply you can do one thing. You can make a curly bracket, and here you write, you can say that force click, there is option force, and here you will write true. So whenever writing force true means you are, if this button is not ready to take the event also, but you are making a force click on that. So it is also working here. So now you have seen that these options are available here. And other than that, we can make a combination, like you can force double click with position argument. So again, this is very simple. This is the force, and before that you can use the what you can do. You can use the position also. I can use any position. So now let me go here and simple single quotes, and you have to comma, and here you can pass the positions here, any position with you, whatever you want. So let me click on top. So I will click on top, and now let me save it. So you can choose any position for that. Here I'm just showing you that you have a option. You have a option to use multiple things together here. Okay. Now the thing is, we can make a double click with the relative coordinate, means force true, but relative coordinate. So it is very simple. Just remove this top part, and you can coordinate like 6 comma. Suppose you can say 7. So it is going to make a force click on that button, but at the same time, it will focus on the coordinate 6 comma 7. So actually, you can say that lots of examples can be created by making a different combination. But usually my purpose is to show that how we can use the double click. If you have any doubt in the double click function, you can put your doubts in the comment of this video. And if you like the video, you can click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.